The Omo plugin is a versatile plugin that can be used several different ways, and basically it allows you to hide containers within your scene. So we have a couple examples set up here, and our first example is just like a bullet point, and to show that you can use the Omo on built-in geometries here. So basically what we have here is 4 different built-in geometries that we can choose to have next to our bullet point. So we have an icosahedron here, we have a sphere, we have a cone, and we have a cube. Now we want to give the operator the ability to choose which bullet point they want, so we can use an Omo here on top of this group. So we have 4 subcontainers here, and if we click on the Omo, this will allow us to select which one we want. So we can select the cube, which is 0, or then we can select the cone, which is choice number 1, then we can select the sphere, which is choice 2, and or we can select the icosahedron, which is our choice 3 here within the Omo. So it doesn't just need to be used on 3D objects, you can also use it on fonts. So here we have a scene set up with bullet points, and you can see we have 6 subcontainers of this group, and on top of the group we have our Omo. The only difference this time is that we have our keep visible on. So if we keep the visible on and we come in and adjust our Omo, this is going to keep all of our containers visible as we advance through the numbers here. If we were to turn this keep visible off, now when we select our numerical value within the Omo, it's only going to reveal 1 container at a time. So if you want your operator to be able to choose how many they have while keeping them on screen, you'll want to use this keep visible on. Also, you can use the Omo for an image sequence here. So if we scale this image up and we reveal our container underneath, you can see all of our images here. So this is an image sequence, and then we just count the number of images. So we have 42 in here, and we just keyframed 0 to 42 containers. So as I advance our container here, you can see that it will advance through each one of these images, playing it like an image sequence. And again, if you want to keyframe that, you could set up your keyframes to advance it, and you hit play, and here is your image sequence using the Omo